In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch and use the CleanBrowsing DNS service or family filter on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. Select privacy and security on the left panel. And then on the right side where it says select DNS provider, click the drop down and select where it says clean browsing family filter. If you don't see any options here, the use secure connections to look up sites might be toggled off, so just make sure that's turned on, and then select your DNS provider from the list here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.